Dear viewers, Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to Wisen Art. Today we are going to learn some abbreviations along with some other words with their full form. Let's get started. The first one you can see is WWW. It stands for World Wide Web. Next, URL. URL stands for Uniform Resource Locator. Next, you can see HTTP, and it stands for Hypertext Transfer Protocol. HTML stands for Hypertext Markup Language. Computer is a great word. We often use it, and it stands for Common Operating Machine, particularly used for technical, education, and research. HDMI. HDMI stands for High Definition Multimedia Interface. Yahoo. Yahoo stands for Yet Another Hierarchical Officious Oracle. Google. Google stands for Global Organization of Oriented Group Language of Art. CD, it's very familiar to all. CD stands for Compact Disc. Another familiar one is DVD, which stands for Digital Versatile Disc. GPRS stands for General Packet Radio Service. LED stands for Light Emitting Diode. LCD stands for Liquid Crystal Display. IMEI stands for International Mobile Equipment Identity. HS stands for Hotspot. UPS stands for Uninterruptible Power Supply. ATM stands for Automated Teller Machine. OMR stands for Optical Mark Recognition or Optical Mark Reader. DOC. DOC stands for Document. MB stands for megabyte. GB stands for gigabyte. TB stands for terabyte. SMS stands for short message service. MMS stands for multimedia messaging service. And this one is KYC, which is related to banking system. It stands for know your customer. Dear viewers, today's video is up to this. Please subscribe, like, comment and share. Wish you all the best.